Hey, it's Carol with BestPlanet.com. Hey, if you've been in the market lately shopping for light bulbs at all, you've probably noticed some changes in the way you shop for light bulbs. Federal regulations have phased out these old-style incandescent bulbs like you see here in lieu of newer, energy-efficient, longer-lasting bulbs such as the LED bulb, compact fluorescent lamp you'll see right here, and also a halogen incandescent bulb. Now, these new bulbs are great news long-term for your wallet, but it's leading to a lot of confusion during the shopping process because the days of shopping for your bulbs based on wattage are over. And the reason for that is that wattage is a measurement of how much energy the bulb uses. And since these new bulbs, these new energy efficient bulbs like you see here, are using so much less energy, their wattage is going to be drastically different. Okay? So now when you're shopping for these new style bulbs, you need to look at how many lumens the bulb emits. Okay? The term lumen is actually the measurement of the total amount of visible light emitted by the light bulb. Thanks to updated lighting packaging like you see here, the lumen output is clearly displayed on the package, so it's going to help you to purchase the appropriate light for your application. So you really just need to become familiar with the amount of lumen output that works for your application. The American Lighting Association has developed some guidelines to help us all convert over to these new energy efficient bulbs. The guidelines basically just reference these old style bulbs here, and they reference their lumen output. So once you know the old style wattage bulb you have and you know the lumen output that emits, you're good to go. Okay? So, for instance, their guidelines start with this 100-watt bulb, old style incandescent, emits around 1600 lumens. So if you use this 100-watt bulb here, then you know it emits 1600 lumens. Look on packaging of the new style bulbs for 1600 lumens or right around in there. You'll have a comparable bulb. Same thing with the 75-watt old style incandescent bulb. It emits around 1100 lumens. Again, now you know it's 1100 lumens. You can check the packaging and you'll have a comparable bulb. 60-watt incandescent old style bulbs emit around 800 lumens. And lastly, the 40-watt old style incandescent bulbs emit around 450 lumens. You got that information? Just check the packaging on the new style bulbs. Okay? Now, those are some of the common old style bulb comparisons. But what if you have like this 10-watt halogen you see here? And I actually have this 10-watt halogen system out front of my house. It's accent lighting against my house. And I'm wanting to replace it with an LED lighting system. And I'm not sure what the lumen output is. And unfortunately, this old style packaging doesn't offer the lumen output. I did find out by looking on this manufacturer's website that this 10-watt halogen offers around 100 lumens of output. So with that information, I could look and research and find, and I did find that this 1-watt LED bulb bullet spotlight offered around 100 lumens output. Okay? So a couple things to note. Not all LEDs are equal. Just because this LED light says it offers 100 lumens for a 1-watt bulb doesn't mean they all will. And the reason that is because LED manufacturers are offering different qualities, levels of diodes. And the diode is actually the light source of an LED. So you still need to base your choice off of lumens. Another thing to note about LED bulbs is that most of the LED manufacturers also rate their LED bulbs based on a directional output. For example, they might say, yes, this 1-watt LED bulb offers 100 lumens at a 45-degree direction from the ground. So again, just do your research and you can make a more informed decision. That's all there is to converting over to the new energy efficient bulbs. I have a complete line of energy efficient bulbs on my website that are great for pond and for landscape applications. I also have some great informational articles on there as well. BestPlanet.com. I hope that helps.